How to add a bounce on the Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add a bounce on the Snapchat. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to add a bounce on the Snapchat, you will have to follow some steps. So first of all, you will have to launch the Snapchat app and go to the camera screen. And after that, press and hold the record button to capture a video. So let me use this filter and let me record the video from there. After recording that video, tap on the loop icon at the very bottom. So you will have to tap right here. Once you are satisfied with the bounce effect you are created, just tap on the send share button to send the video snap with the bounce effect to your followers Snapchatters. So you will have to tap right here on the next button and then you will have to share that video. So guys, please note that the bounce feature is currently limited to iOS devices and Snapchat has not yet confirmed its availability on the Android. So hope you guys like my video and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.